Good day, my name is Boris Garbus and I want to explain how we can use variables in program test on fly. This is the programs. These programs we can use for automatically test building, and let's try to do some tests with variables and we try to understand what is these variables. I will start with only one test here, and I will start with DOS command. I will do ping. I will send ping in DOS command, and also I want to write this result in the file. That name is var1 txt. What is var1? If you go to test builder, you can see here that is the variables, 3 variables. This is not all variables. We have a lot of variables here. What you want and how you want, it's possible to use. But let's use variable number 1. The difference between these variables, the 3 variables, and this one variables, that variables 1 to 3 we have some value from the very beginning, and in variables others we need to put values. And one more, how it's built variables. All variables is built in the same manner. There is a value of the variable, and there is a value that you will be added to the main value, and you will get the next time the variable. For example, next time it will be 2. You see, I click here and this 3, and also it's have another value all time something else. If you have here a number, another number, we can see that it will be another number of the variable. But I want to use only such one. And what else about variables? That this is the name of the variables. You can put it what you want here. Maybe you can say that these variables my name, such variables. Okay. And after this, if you put this my name, this word my name in any place, instead of this word he will send the value of the variable. It's very simple. Okay. Now we try to change it to something else. For example, like this one. Okay. Let's do some practical changes. Now we have variables. These variables have a value 1, and it will be added also 1 with step. And let's see how it works. If I send it here, I click here, you can see that I have such panel. That means that it's fulfilled, and now it's in the pause because I asked to have a pause. But in the same time work was done, because if I go here where we can see that there is a file 1txt, and here is all information about ping. Now I want to, if I click once more on the save test, let's do this. I click once more. You can see that this number 2 txt file, and also you can find it here. Not here. Here. You can find it here. This is a result of the test 2. Let's do one more experience. I want to build a number of tests like this one. I will click here to copy. I will click paste a number of times and I click rename numbers. Now I have 4 tests and we'll start it. Let's see how it's working. Now it's saved in the number 3, in file number 3, and next time also in file number 3. It's not so good. Why it's the same file? Let's understand. Let's try to understand why it's working, because it looks like that we have when we have copy, it's changed value. Okay, it's not very difficult to change it back. We need to have, instead exactly of the name, we need to have with variable. Okay, I will change it with variable, this string, and now I try once more. To start it. Okay, this is now we have this is 4 txt file, and the second time we have 5 txt file. That means that after each test we have changes of the variables. This is how it's working. Now let's do something else. We will try to do something with the test. For example, let's open file with the information. We don't need all of this one. Next step, I will on the test number 2, I want to open this file. I want to open the file. Here is the file. I want to open the file number 1. Because it was open 4 panels, it's right in all 4 panels. I don't need it. I want to have only in one open. If I click send, you can see that it's open it. But what is the problem? That here we have variables, and it puts always in the name the different name. For example, I click now, it's put it on the 10 txt 9 txt file, and we need to open also number the same number, and we open here only 1. Let's do some additional things to open the same file. How we can do it? We can use different variable. For example, we can use variable number 1 and variable number 2. We can put it the same value, and on the test where we can send to variables, we can send it. It will be with the name variables 1, but when we open it, we will open it with variables number 2. But how it will work on this time? If I send this test, what I have it's saved on the with name number 1 txt file. Okay, and now if you go to the test builder, you can see that it's ready for the next test. It's add 1, and we have the next value, the 2. But value number 2 is have the same it was before, because this one we can use it. For example, to open the file, I want to open the file variable 2, and I'm open it because this was variable 2 was result was 1. There was 1, and you can see that on the test builder now you have also changed this value. That means that every time that it will done in such way, I will have information for this test. Let's do a number of such tests. For this one, let's think that I want to build 5 tests like this one, that always it will be same with the other names, and always it will be read from with other name. Let's try to do it. For this one I go to test builder. I don't need all variables. I will use only variable 1 and variable 2. I will clear table first of all. After this I'm copy, and here you can see that this is exactly what I need. But if I click here now to add the main tails, what is happened? It's happened that take the value of the variable and put it here. I don't want to do this because I need here exactly in such a ways that it was written variable, not exactly the name. Okay, we will do it once more, and if we delete the value of the name, and we can do it 3 times maybe, and we will edit, you can see that we have the such that is right such variables, but it's right with symbol, such symbol, and we don't need it with a simple question. Let's change it. How we can change it? We can use this one. This is what need to find, this is what need to change, and we can do find and change. And now we can see that there is no question, but on variables 2 we have such question. We need also to change variables 2, and let's do it. Oh, now we have all is good. Let's try to start it and let's check how it's working. Oh, excuse me, I will stop it. It's not working. Why it's not working? Because I forgot to put some value here. Okay, let's put 10. Okay, and now I can start it, and now you can see that it's working. 10, number 10. You can see here that we have such file. Here is it, and we build it. Now it's 111, and we build it, and we read it. You can see that we also open it. We open it with variable number 2, and you can see here how it's working. After that, you see it was changed from the 12 to on the next time 13. Now it's 13, but here is 12, and we open file with 12, and it's changed to the setting. Here is such as you can see how it's working. Okay, now let's stop it. We finished it, and now let's excuse me, I stop it. And now let's do once more test. Sometimes it's more simple to build tests with variables in the another way, as I showed you before. If it if you have some examples like this one, and we put it here, now we can put the value of the variables here, and if we edit, for example, 10 times, you can see that every time that you have changed it, you have another value. Here you send ping and save it to the file 10.txt. Here you open the file 10.txt. This sometimes is much more simple. Instead of use variables, you can build all programs with exactly the name of the files that you want to save it and you want to read it, and it will be much more quicker. Okay, let's do one more things with variables. My next let's go to open file. Let's open file here. I will delete all that I don't necessary, and I only want to open this file, and I want to read all information, for example for the time delay. How I can do it? You need to go to get and check value, and after this you need to find any string, for example pinging. You can and after this you find string, you can find any information in the string below and string upper. You can do this, but let's find this information. Let's think that I want to find this is a value of this one. I don't exactly to find that 183 without any milliseconds and so on. How I can do it? I need it's possible to build test. This is example, and here I need to find after. I want to find after pinging. There is only one word like this one. I put it information here, and now I want to see not 100 lines but only 10 lines. Okay, let's do it. Wow, excuse me, I need to build first of all, build test. Oh, now I have a test and test, and now I want to get result. You can write it. You can see that we have result from line number 1, number 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's take information from the line number 1. You can how you can do is you can find after time. You can find it and put it, and also for the next line the same situation. And now let's read it. Oh, you can see that now we have information about time delay, but I don't want also to have additional information such as this one. I need to only to have information with digital. I can ask to program that I need to finish to get information before milliseconds, and if I put it here and here and here and here, I can see that I have exactly these numbers what I want. And I don't want also from line the other name. Okay, maybe let's check once more. I want to have here, maybe I can average to see to find. I can do this. I can put it here, average, and I can have a question. Also I need to put the milliseconds here, and I have exactly the same value, but I don't want to have this line. Let's delete it, and this one dot, and this one I don't want to have, and this one I don't want to have. I need only to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and because of this I need to change here. Excuse me, 5, not 3. And now if you get results, you can see it. Now let's check that it's working. Let's put one here. Instead of 8 we can put 9, and also here you can put 9, and let's to see that it's also changed. Okay, and also as usual with variables you can put minimum and maximum value. For example, here you have how you have percent. You can check it, and you can click here and put the value. If you need a little bit less, you can also put it here, the value. For all value you can do this. And now if you click result, you can see that EU is as usual in its pass all time. If you change something, for example here and here, you can change it. Result, you will have fail. You can check exactly all results that you have, but it's not all. Now you want to build one more test and write only your results that you need. It's maybe on the difference tests, but let's do this. All the values that you have, you can give the value of variables. How we can do it? We can put here and choose what variables we want to use. For example, I want to use variables number 4. No, where is it? Okay, let's do this. Number 4. I put it this value in the variables number 4. I can do this the same, and in different variables I can put its different value in different variables. And also here I want to put, and you can after when you click here, let's click it, you can see that on all variables you have data that you was put there. Now we have some information from in variable number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's good. It's now it's possible to build additional test about that, and you can put it and you can write that the name that you want. It's free, you can do this. Let's add one more test. Okay, I build test number 3. I don't need all results here. I will clear all. And what I want to do, I want to use mathematicals. If you choose calculate, because it was open all panels, I don't want to do this. It was written in all panels, but I want only to write in the panels, in one panel, if this is calculated, and it gives me a possibility, all possibilities that I can use. You can see it's different. I don't need all of this. I want only to write something in free form. That first of all I want to have time delay number 1, and I know that I put this time delay number 1 in variable number 4. Okay, and let's do the same. From you can write what you want. Time delay number 2, number 3, number 4, and this was something else. I will go back to find it. Let's change this to variable number 5. Excuse me, 5, 6, 7, and variable number 7 we put this average. Let's write there that it's the average time. Average time. Average time. Average time. Okay, this will be average time, and it will be variable number 8. This is good. I hope that's good. Now we can calculate it, we can check how it's work. If we click here, we will get results. You can see that it's take result and you have time delay in here. And now what else need to do? If you save it in, you can save it in the Excel, but if what you save in Excel, it's you can save only that you have the information that you have in get and check value in this table, and here we have no information. It will be nothing here, but we want to build information list with all variables that we have. It's maybe different variables, and that we get it on the different tests. And here we can build one test and put it all variables here, but we need to read it and to get results here, put it in the table. Let's do this. How we can do this? I think that it's very simple. Maybe possible to go here, find after, and you can read. You can write here that you need to get information from table A, and you will get it. Now you can click some here doubles, and you will be ready to get information from 2, 3 and 4. You don't need 1 here. Okay, you can delete it. You can use only information that you need. Now you can try to check it. You have all information. Only what is we need is the average time. Let's edit. We can edit also from here. Here we can edit information from here, and you can write here average time, and you can get information what was in average time. Now if you click here save to Excel, you build Excel file with information from test number 2 with the name DOS command. The page will be named DOS command. Let's change it. Maybe we can click here, rewrite all the test name according to what we do, and on the test number 1 we send DOS command. It's good, but we have no information in the table get and check value. On the test number 2 we have open file. Okay, and on the test number 3 we have calculate. Excel is not love two dots, and we delete it. And let's check what we will get. We need to get from this information from this page 2. We need to have in Excel file open file list, and from this information we need to have calculate page. Let's try to see it, how it's working. We can save it. Just don't mention what we have here. We can now it will build, and now we can open it. Okay, let's open it. You can see that we have a page with calculated and full information with the full name value of the names. It's very good. It's very good and very suitable to see that time delay 1 it's this one is this one, and we have also page with open line, and you can see this open line there is a red some information. Red information is mean that we have problem with this value. What problem? Problem that it's out of limits that we need, and you can check it. That if you go to test number 2, you can check it on the test number 2. You can see that it's fail. What was fail? It's go to the Excel file with red, with value of the red. Okay, what's I think this is enough to understand information how possible to work with variables. I will try to once more to explain. On the first day we send ping and we save it in the file. On the second test we open this file and we get data, exactly the name, exactly the value of the time delay, and we put it also in variables. This is results, and this is the name of variables that will put these results. And if you go here, you can see that this is exactly all variables that we have, and we have results inside of it. And the last test, this test number 3, we want to build additional page in the Excel file and put it all information together. And maybe it will be not only from one page, maybe it will be also from the others different page, but we can gather it on the one page. And if you want to see this information in the Excel file, we need only to open get and check value table, and we need to choose what we want, and after this it will be send it to file. This is all what I want to say about the variables. It gives a very big information, very big possibility to build all tests, and you can use it. And variables, it's maybe not only digital but also a string, but if there is a string, you can change the value of the string. It will be not changed, the value of the string. For example, if in variables it will be something like this, it will be not change. It will be write any string. It will be not change after this. Okay, this is all what I want to explain about variables. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.